Hello viewer, how to fix Facebook account delete problem. If you cannot delete Facebook account, please follow the step. Open your Facebook app. Now tap on profile icon from the top right corner. Scroll down and go to setting and privacy. Go to setting. Now go to account center. Now scroll down and go to password and security. Now tap on where you are logged in. Now select your Facebook account. Under where you log in, find out the device where Messenger is active. Then tap on the device and log out. Now go back, go to your account, and from here remove all connected account with your Facebook. Now go back. Now tap on personal details. Click on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Now select your Facebook account. Now from here select delete account, and now you can delete your Facebook account successfully.